street view. Vietnamese, Bending province. This is what it looked like coming back up in here, up in the alleys. But this is not an alley to them. This is like the street. No houses along the way. All kind of houses. So this is what the village life looked like. There's some streets in the city though that look like this too. It'll trip you out. It's gonna be some tight areas up in here. She over here. They over here cooking some rice paper stuff. Poached. Alright. So now we're coming across the rice field area. The house back here, what's her name's house? The new house?
Which one?
Next to your dad, the new house. But it's back here somewhere. We'll have to come do a video just on that house. Because it's kind of like the road here. Go left? I remember that. Yeah, these are houses. Don't let it fool you. These people be stacking money. Don't let it fool you. I don't know how they do it, but they be stacking some money. It don't look like it. That's the trick. That's the trick. You'll get back in here and see some new houses. A lot of cows stuff in the road too. And they parking club. People out here working the fields. Ooh. So close. Keep straight. There's your dad. Keep straight.
Yeah. Because he had to come to get the motorbike along the road.
Oh yeah. Always interesting driving through here in a car.
Whoa, that's really heavy.
Let me see. I might have to go back.
Maybe her house right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. She had to get out so she can give the food to somebody around here.
Oh, get out here?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Let me pull up right here. This door can open here, Tal.
Yeah.
On this side. This, I don't want to hit that wall.
Bật ra xong cái bác đưa đồ ăn đi. Xong rồi cái con chạy lên để bật vô.
So she's good here?
Yeah. So when I was little,
yeah,
I stayed with her.
Oh, okay.
I got at home.
She gonna get back in the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I was in grade 7, so I come live with her.
Shit. Giving y'all this interesting street view. Bendin Province, like a back alley joint. It just rained, so like water filling up everywhere. Okay. Right here. Hold on, a little bit more. Okay.
Right, vô đây bạn. Sao? Thấy không?
Okay, go. Yeah, so this is where people live, man. Actually, this is where my wife grew up at. So, just so y'all know, we got all kind of stuff going on in here. Dude on the motor truck.
You try to see what you do in the video.
Alright. Like, really shouldn't have no car back here, to be honest. But you got to be professional. That's the rice spot. They sell rice over here.
Xe đây con thôi chứ. 21 triệu nè.
Alright.
Đem trước luôn hả?
Oh shoot, that ain't gonna work. Hold on. That ain't gonna work. Hold on. Wow. Maybe she just have that energy.
She's my cousin though, my mom's side.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. Oh wow. Hello.
My dog is over there. There's a dog.
It feeling a little fluish. Put him up on that there hoof bubble and then get him on over here. This is the house I'm gonna show y'all later. We're gonna see back up in here all this. You're gonna find something like this here. So I'm gonna do a tour with this house and show y'all this spot. And so y'all can see how some folk living out over here. Yes sir. Don't let it fool you. Don't be fooled.
Tại nhà là nhà bác mà. Hai người đấy, ví dụ như bác thấy ở khó khăn mà bác ra ngoài ở, kiếm chỗ nào để ở nhà của bác thầy dám dành.
Alright. That stuff look ancient, like 200 years old. Woo!
That's his cow. Can we go on my cow?
It's right here. Pull up in here.
On my and her right there. Look at the cow, and you have more chickens coming over. Look at the cows.
Alright, so